Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Beaky Blender Sponge is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools in any makeup artist's kit, offering a flawless finish for foundation, concealer, and even powder application. Its unique, ergonomic design fits comfortably in your hand, allowing for precise blending and seamless application that traditional brushes or fingers simply can't match. Whether you're a beginner looking to achieve a professional look or a seasoned pro seeking to elevate your technique, this sponge promises to revolutionize your makeup routine with its ability to create a smooth, airbrushed complexion. Number 5. Beaky Makeup Sponge Set 5-Pack. Achieve a perfect makeup look every time with our premium makeup sponges. Designed for seamless blending, they ensure a smooth and even finish. Experience the ultra-soft texture that's gentle on your skin. These sponges are latex-free, making them a great choice for sensitive complexions. Our innovative microporous design means less product is wasted. Enjoy a beautiful finish without absorbing excess foundation or cream. These sponges are perfect for applying and blending powder, cream, and liquid makeup. They are your go-to tool for a professional makeup application. Get a set of 5 high-quality makeup sponges in one convenient package. Keep one in your makeup bag, at home, or on the go for touch-ups. Say goodbye to streaks and hello to an airbrushed finish. These sponges make blending effortless, saving you time and effort. What we like. This set offers a unique microporous design for minimal product absorption. Its low absorption feature means less makeup wasted. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that still performs well, this is a great choice. What people say. These sponges blend foundation, concealer, and even cream blush really smoothly without leaving streaks or soaking up too much product. They clean up well, I wash them regularly and they hold their shape with no tearing or crumbling. The set includes various sponge shapes, each with a specific purpose. This versatility allows for precise application, whether you're contouring, highlighting, or applying foundation. Number 4. Aesthetica Cosmetics Beauty Sponge Blender. Achieve a perfect makeup look with our revolutionary Beauty Sponge Blender. Its unique design ensures seamless application for all your favorite products. Crafted with your skin in mind, this makeup sponge is completely latex-free and vegan. Enjoy a gentle touch that's kind to your complexion. Whether you prefer powder, cream, or liquid makeup, this blender handles it all. It effortlessly blends your foundation, concealer, and more. Simplify your beauty routine with this all-in-one makeup sponge. Its versatile nature makes it the only tool you'll need for a polished finish. Discover the secret to a professional-looking makeup application. This one-piece beauty sponge blender is designed for ultimate performance and ease of use. What we like. This blender is crafted to be both latex-free and vegan, catering to conscious consumers. It works beautifully with powders, creams, and liquids for a seamless finish. If you prioritize ethical sourcing and a smooth application across different makeup types, consider this option. What people say. Very soft and spongy and blends your makeup perfectly. It enlarges once it's wet. The material is nice and it feels very well made. It works beautifully with foundation and blends better than any brush sponge I have ever used. It's soft, latex-free, and vegan, and it didn't soak up too much product. It blended my foundation and concealer really well. Number 3. Beautyblender Original Pink Makeup Sponge. Meet the iconic Beautyblender Original in pink. Its super soft foam is designed for effortless blending of all your favorite foundations, powders, and creams. Achieve a streak-free application every time. This tool makes it easy to get a professional-looking finish at home. Proudly made in the USA, this sponge is not only effective but also reusable and washable for long-lasting use. Experience the unique, super soft foam that adapts to your facial contours. It ensures a smooth and even application without absorbing too much product. Whether you're a makeup novice or a seasoned pro, this is the essential tool for a flawless base. Get ready to elevate your makeup routine. What we like. Experience the super soft foam that ensures a streak-free application every time. Proudly made in the USA, it's designed for effortless blending of foundations, powders, and creams. If you seek a premium, reliable tool for a flawless finish and value domestic production, this is the one. What people say. The sponge expands well when damp, helps to fix when I use too much makeup on a spot, and helps create a smooth, natural finish without streaks or heavy product buildup. It blends makeup evenly with a natural finish and is durable and holds up well with washing. Blends all kinds of makeup really well. Good design. Number 2. Makeup Sponges Set, Beauty Blending Sponges. Achieve a perfect finish every time with this makeup sponges set. They are designed for seamless blending of all your favorite makeup products. Whether you prefer cream, powder, or liquid foundations, these sponges handle them all. Get an airbrushed look with ease. This set includes a handy holder and an egg case. Keep your sponges clean and protected when not in use. Made with soft, high-quality material, they are gentle on your skin. Enjoy a comfortable and effective makeup application experience. The compact egg case makes this set ideal for travel. Touch up your makeup anytime, anywhere with these essential tools. This 4-piece set, along with the holder and case, provides everything you need for a flawless makeup routine. It's a great addition to any beauty collection. What we like. This set provides excellent value with an included holder and a convenient egg case for storage and travel. It's perfect for achieving a flawless finish with cream, powder, and liquid makeup. If you need an organized and portable solution for your makeup routine, this set is ideal. What people say. Very soft and durable. Love having the organization and the little holder it comes with. Love having a case and holder for drying after washing. These makeup sponges work perfectly, and do not get damaged when washing. Appreciated the cute case they came in. Number 1. Foonbe 7PCS Makeup Sponge Set. Discover the ultimate makeup sponge set from Foonbe. This collection features 7 vibrant sponges designed for all your cosmetic needs. Effortlessly blend liquid, cream, and powder foundations. These sponges provide a flawless finish every time you apply your makeup. Made with latex-free materials, they are gentle on your skin. You can achieve a professional look without irritation. A bonus mini sponge is included for precise application and detailed work. Perfect for concealing and highlighting specific areas. Feel good about your beauty choices. These sponges are proudly vegan and cruelty-free, aligning with ethical standards. Elevate your makeup routine with these multicolored beauty sponges. They are designed to give you a smooth, airbrushed appearance. What we like. Get a variety of 7 multicolored sponges, including a mini one, all vegan and cruelty-free. They are designed for all makeup types, from liquid to powder. If you love having options, enjoy vibrant colors, and support ethical beauty, this comprehensive set is perfect for you. What people say. The Beaky Blender Sponge is a game-changer for makeup application. Its unique beak shape allows for precise application of concealer and foundation, reaching all the nooks and crannies of the face. This sponge is incredibly soft and blends makeup seamlessly. It doesn't absorb a lot of product, which means you get more coverage with less foundation. The Beaky Blender Sponge is very durable and holds up well after multiple washes. It maintains its shape and softness, making it a long-lasting addition to any makeup kit. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.